Hey, what's up, y'all? Cal Cameron, Double C Home Inspections. I walked a lot of roofs over the last 9 years, last 4,000 plus inspections. One thing I see that is really common is when someone gets a new roof, many times the roofer won't replace everything they should. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so believe it or not, this is the third time I've inspected this home in the last 5 months. It's crazy. So this roof has been replaced recently, and I know that because the previous times I was here, this roof was really beat to death with hail damage. So they replaced a lot, just about everything really. They replaced the shingles. Looks like they replaced the flashing around the drain waste vent pipes. These skylights were damaged a few months ago. One thing you can see clearly they did not replace was this flashing around this skylight. This is the previous flashing, and obviously it doesn't look very good. They didn't do a very good job putting it back where it was. One thing that I'm trying to point out to you when I say this is if you're paying a roofer sometimes $10, $12, $15,000 to replace a roof, you need to expect that they will also replace the flashing. All the little details are important too on a roof. And West Texas home builders and West Texas roofers in particular don't really care about that. I'll just be honest with you. They're there to make money and move on. And when you do that, you miss the details, and those details can lead to leaks. So those flashing materials around skylights, boots on those drain waste vents, those should be replaced. The flashing itself should be replaced. This home does not have gas appliances, but I see you had a gas furnace or a gas water heater. Those vents should be replaced. They should be taking a look at your chimney, in my opinion. And if it looks bad, they need to recommend repair there, even if they don't do that themselves. All these attic vents should be replaced regardless of type, unless it's some sort of expensive solar exhaust fan or something. Otherwise they should replace it, because you're paying for that, or your insurance company is paying for it, or whoever. So you should expect them to do a good job. And a lot of times as a homeowner, that's going to be up to you to make sure it happens. You know, that roofer is not going to care if you ever get on that roof to check. And of course most homeowners aren't going to check, and they know that. So it's up to you to demand it right off the bat when that roofer approaches you to give you a bid or a quote. You need to tell them that quote needs to include replacement. All those vents, all that flashing, all those drain waste vent boots, putting caulk on these little fasteners that have to be exposed on roofs, making sure they do a thorough job.